Oh shit, this whole time I was never even recording. Anywho, good morning. I did not feel like cooking this morning, so I'm eating me a cup of noodles. I have shrimp noodles and chicken noodles, and I have me a couple of onions on the side. So let's get into it.
Yeah, guys.
Can you stop moving the table? Thank you.
Guys, look at my mommy's a melon.
I be watching all this motherfucking Vietnamese stuff. I think I done turned into one. I be in this bitch making spring rolls and all that shit. Get off of the table. Don't make me say it again, because I said it 3 times already.
I can have more chips.
Bye.
There's no more chips. Yeah, more chips. Open this for me. What's that? I'm on here.
No, for real.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I be telling everybody, where you want to move to? Where you want to move to? Thailand, Tokyo. And take them on the Dosey page.
No.
Oh, she said, good morning to you. I want to move to Tokyo so I can have me some. Girl, I be making everything. I be up in here making Chinese food. The other day, what day this was?
This week.
Last week.
Last week.
Last week I had made some fucking I think she do want to fight. Last week I had made some teriyaki chicken. How they making circle? Oh girl, with the rice and the steamed cabbage. Wow. I could have put belt to ass on myself. I could have put belt to ass on myself. That's how good that shit was. You gotta use the bathroom? I been trying. You gotta get up on that YouTube. Paige, come here. Oh, she told me to shut up. And that's right, because when she gets to that doctor, they're gonna give her ass a shot. And I want to see who say shut up then. Nah, but for real, I really want to go to Thailand because for one, they fucking houses is so fucking cheap. Their houses is so fucking cheap. Everything over there is fresh. It's nothing preserved. It's nothing syringed with steroids and none of that shit. Everything is fucking fresh. Literally, everything is fucking fresh. No. I don't care. You're not putting that in no dye here. Don't mind me, y'all. She's annoying. Everything is fucking cheap and it's better. It's better over there. Excuse me. It's better over there. She think money grow on trees. She think that she about to sit here and put kaleidoscope miracle drops in a dye here. Like what? No.
Don't look at me. Look at somebody else.
Who you talking to?
Thank you.
Period. And move there. I'll move there for a year. And if I don't like it, I'll come back. But if I like it, I'm staying. I will move there for a year. At this point, I'm Chinese. Fuck it. Tie my motherfucking toes together. Yeah. And if you like it, stay. If you don't, come back. But
Yeah, well, you said something was slime.
I'm Chinese, period. I'm gonna go over there and change my birth certificate and all that shit. Change my last name to Lee and all that shit. Hey, yeah. My name is Ming Lee. Ming Lee Child. What's up? No, I cannot. I'm making a video. Move.
But can you take the devil bill?
Yes. Oh, that's son, my damn eye. Ming Lee, yes. I done changed my name. I'm changing my birthday and all that shit. I'm motherfucking 20 years old. All that. Not for nothing. I haven't eaten noodles in a long time, and it's not what it used to be. Yeah. This was the chicken. So I know I'm not gonna like the shrimp. I guess. If I tell you one more time, get away from me, I'm going to tear your ass up in front of everybody. And I mean that shit. Wholeheartedly. I mean it. Y'all got had this shit. This shit is nasty. Mm-mm. Cat bugging, daughter bugging, everybody bugging. Just bugging. But this concludes my video because I will not finish it. This shit is nasty as hell. I didn't start off with giving a disclaimer. How y'all doing? What y'all been up to? And what did y'all miss me? Bye.